Okay, Sanche Onunsha. मेरो नाम गाप्सो. Another one. Tapale Kasto Cha. Tapale Kasto Cha.
हामीलाई राम्रो छ तपाईलाई कष्ट छ.
Okay, another one. Nepalese Sundar Rasanta Desho. Sayaun Thunga.
Phulka hami.
Phulka hami.
एउटै माला नेपाल. एउटै माला.
Yote Malai. Nepali.
सरको जुङ्गा.
Sarko Junga. Hani.
विद्यार्थी.
Huh?
तान्ने हामी विद्यार्थी.
Say.
विद्यार्थी.
Bidarthi. Bidarthi.
विद्यार्थी.
Continue. Sargo Bamba. Baili Yaka. Not sexy, nice. What's the meaning of Sharda? Meaning of your school. Sharda means?
Saring, right?
Sharda. This school is Sharda, right?
Meanings God.
Goat. Sharda is goat.
God, goat, I mean God.
Goat or Lord?
Lord,
Lord, huh?
you are a bird.
In your school, they teach you English?
Yeah.
They teach you English, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, this is vlog.
What is your channel name?
Gabs.
Gabs.
Okay. How many, like only one English subject is there?
No, Nepali.
Nepali.
Nepali and English.
Only English one subject.
Nepali. Nepali.
Three subjects.
Three subjects.
Nepali.
Khopo English Nepali.
Listen, okay? How many subjects you have? Which subject do you have?
8.
10? 8. Tell me any other subject. Okay, maths. You have maths, mathematics, right?
Oh, math.
Maths is there, right? Suppose the teacher is teaching in maths. Will the teacher speak Nepali or English?
Nepali.
Nepali, Okay. Only English subject, teacher will speak English, huh?
Yeah.
How good are you in English? How good are you? From 1 to 10, how good are you?
Nepali English
Huh? From 1 to 10, how good are you?
हिमालय आउँछ ल गाइदिनु.
Huh? Can you rate yourself from 1 to 10?
9 to 10.
From 1 to 10? You 5, 6, 7, 10 out of 10? Oh, what is your score in English subject? Score. What's your score in English subject? You?
Why is score?
Rate. Marks.
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 50 मा 30.
No, English ball. English bolo. Your subject.
English short base के subject is
How much?
15 upon 30. 15 upon 20.
Huh?
15 upon
30.
15 upon 5.
You? 15?
15 upon 5.
And you? Your score? English?
15 upon
50 मा कति हुन्छ
50 upon 30.
50 upon 30. Okay.
नेपाली आउँदैन? हेलो.
Nepali, yeah. Nepali.
नेपाली बोल्न आउँछ कि आउँदैन?
Nepali, help. Okay, Sanche Onunsha. मेरो नाम गाप्सो. Another one. Tapale Kasto Cha. Tapale Kasto Cha.
हामीलाई राम्रो छ तपाईलाई कष्ट छ.
Okay, another one. Nepalese Sundar Rasanta Desho. Now you speak English. Now English say. I want you to teach me Nepali National Anthem. I don't know.
National Anthem.
You know Nepali?
Sayaun.
You sing with me? Sayaun
Thunga Phulka hami.
Phulka hami.
एउटै माला नेपाल. एउटै माला.
Yote Malai. Nepali.
सरको जुङ्गा.
Sarko Junga. Hani.
विद्यार्थी.
Huh?
तान्ने हामी विद्यार्थी.
Say.
Vidyarthi.
Bidarthi. Bidarthi.
Vidyarthi.
No.
No.
Phool, continue. Say.
Sayaun Thunga
Sayaun Thunga.
Phulka hami.
Phulka Yote Mala.
नेपाली.
Nepali.
Sarvabhauma.
Sorba. Sorba. Sorba bomba.
Kailieka.
Kailieka. Kailieka. Messi Mahakali. Kali, huh? Tell me, bolo. Next. Continue. Sargo Bamba. Paili Yaka. Paili Yata. Okay, then you know this? African hair.
African hair.
Yes. From Africa. Yes, I am from Africa. Yes.
Nepali
Boka.
This is a boka.
How do you call that in Nepali? Nepal. In Nepali? Boka. Huh? In Nepali, boka. Okay. Which class are you? Which class?
2.
Class 2. Okay. Speak English.
No.
What is English? What is your dad name? Okay. No, don't speak Nepali. English only. I am 26.
26.
How old are you? How old are you? No, don't speak Nepali. English only. English only. 7. You're 7. Oh my gosh! I thought you were 3 years old. You're amazing.
I'm going to school.
You're going?
I'm going to
Okay,
school.
bye. Okay. Study. Okay. Bye. Hi. Okay, go to school. Okay. Bye. Go study. They are very friendly. Go school time. Break time. Finish. School coming? They are asking me to go in the school. They are very cute. They are very cute kids, and I just had a good time with them. Man. And I just found out that like in their school, mostly like they teach them in Nepali language, and they just have like only one English subject. Still, they are just school kids, and little bit hard, little bit down in English, but it's okay. I think there is a lot of private or international school in Nepal. This is where you will find them. You'll find them speaking good English, guys. So now I am in Bhaktapur. We are in Bhaktapur, Durbar Square, guys. I'm really having a good time here. And you can go and check my other vlogs whereby I explore the main richest architecture and the holiest places of not only the holiest temple, but they also have the tallest temple, guys. Yeah, this place is really nice. I think today there is something going on inside here, guys. Yeah, there's something going on here. It's like a festival. I will go and show you. Yeah, just do check other vlog, guys. There is a lot of vlog I made, the main vlogs and the vlogs where I've been trying a lot of the newari and the Nepali food, guys. Go and check it out. You will love it. Nepali kids just made my day, guys. It was so nice. Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Yeah, let me show you this. This is Bhaktapur, guys. And that side you will find the tallest temple. I think there is something special, this kind of festival going on here, guys. I don't really know what is happening. Yeah. I don't know, but a lot of people here, cultural, traditional stuff is going on. And it is written there, the World Newar Organization, Nepali chapter. Brother, can you tell me a little about what's going on?
No idea.
You have no idea? You're not from this place?
We are from this place, but this is not our religion.
Okay, you're from which?
Hindu.
You're Hindu, okay. But you're Nepali, right?
Yes.
Okay. You studying in a college or a school? Is this a college uniform or a school? College. Okay, nice. What is? Can you tell me about this dress?
This is like dhoti.
What?
It's a newari cultural dress.
Newari,
like
huh?
when farmers used to.
Okay. It's for the farmers. I think there is a lot of Newari cultural dress because I saw like red and
Yeah.
right.
Like it's newari cultural dress. That's for girls.
That one for ladies, right?
This is for guys.
So they are going to dance. They are going to perform something.
Or from there.
Okay. You guys from which place here?
We are local here.
Local. Okay, nice.
You do like YouTube?
Yeah, I'm YouTube.